These are what we need for the stew. As you can see, I use this a lot. Tomato paste. We have ginger. We have carrots. This is the headline of the stew. They're making carrot stew, as you can see. Have lots of carrots. Habanero pepper to taste. We have sweet onions. Celery, my baby. Then we have pepper. Red bell pepper. And of course, the cooking oil. Spices, I've already laid them down. This is smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika. The smokiness makes it look like you cooked on a firewood. This is ground thyme, thymian, aka this one, ground thyme. This is oregano, aka this one, oregano. This is seasoned salt. My favorite seasoned salt is this one. This is curry powder. This is my favorite, Nigerian curry powder, lion brown. And then this is black pepper. And this is what I used, I crushed it. This is my favorite. I told you guys about it already. At this point, the best you can do for me is subscribe. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And remember to do all your comments here. Below is a comment section. Make your comment and I'll be glad to share more details of this recipe with you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Steaming the meat with all these veggies and spices. And then we add water later on after it's steamed for a few minutes to cook the meat. To get the carrot to be smooth, boil it for a few minutes, very little water, and then blend it together with the other pepper, onion, and the rest of it, and then cook it down before adding to the stew. Boom. All the beef. We have added the onions. The onions in the oil. Just finish frying. Adding down curry. Boom, boom, boom. Move on down for some intensity. This is very important part of the whole chopped celery on top of chopped tomato paste. Break it down. Trying to wake up the aroma in the dry tomato. They want to make sure that tomato and curry mix. Tomato is cooked, so now put the carrot and pepper mix. Cannot do without fish, fried fish. I fried it, whiting fillet. Apart the meat stock. It is so thick now because added the meat. This umami. Great umami. This keeps it fresh. Keeps the food alive. Because everything is not overcooked. It's in layers. It's in layers. The oil comes on top. It's cooked. Stew is cooked. And we are serving rice. Dirty stew. Rice. Dirty stew.